guess where I am? We just entered Yosemite. This is my mom. So we just got through the gates and now we're gonna drive, look for where we want to go. We kind of want to go hiking, so we're looking for somewhere to do that too. We just stopped by the restroom. I was gonna do this earlier this morning when we were still at home, but my allergies were really bad and my nose kind of, it's like runny and everything. But anyways, yeah, so we're here and I'll show you guys some clips once we enter more. So I'm driving, so I can't really record that much, but I hope you enjoy. So we are going to start our hike to Mist Lake or Mist Trail. What? It's called Mist what?
Mist something.
Mist something. Yeah, so we parked all the way back there somewhere and then we made a restroom stop and now we're walking up. Little did we know what this trail had coming for us up ahead. What seemed to be a simple uphill hike would turn out to be so much more than that.
But before I get to that,
So I would talk more on this hike, but I'm like dying. My allergies and just the hike. Yeah. I'll keep you guys updated. Ooh. Okay, now we're hiking on snow with my running shoes. That's great. We had to come up that incline earlier and that was some work because we don't have spikes on our shoes or anything, but it's not that bad. You just have to go really slow and use your hands sometimes. My shoes are getting wet, I can feel it. No more snow for a little bit. So the snow was really slushy. A lot of people were falling over there. And yeah, but right now it's okay. It's just when we go back down that I'm worried about. And my shoes are already kind of wet. Look, the waterfall! It's cold. Oh, that's cold! Oh my gosh, I like it though.
Imagine skiing down that or snowboarding.
So we went across. Okay, we went across a lot of snow and hills. That was kind of hard because we don't have spikes or hiking boots. We have literal running shoes, but we'll just slide our way down when we go back. We're almost there. Almost there.
10 more minutes.
Yeah, about 10 more minutes. Okay, almost there. Can you imagine? What if all of these rocks are just alien spaceships, huh? I know. What if Area 51 is not, in fact, in Nevada? It's the Earth. Okay, I'm not one of those conspiracy people who believe in those kind of things. I don't know. Sorry if that offended anyone. I just don't know what else to call it. But those are fun to think about, but I don't believe in any of those things. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. We made it. 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 Wow. So I ran earlier and there was a lot of puddles. So now my right foot is all wet. Okay, we are at the Vernal Nevada Falls Trail. Asked her to record me and then she ran away. Whoa, like that. I would use my GoPro, but sometimes the quality is not as great as the iPhone for some reason. I've noticed that. So, yeah, that is so pretty. I don't think you can get that close to it though, unless we hike more. She's not committing. I want to commit. I can't even see. Oh, look, there's another waterfall.
Oh.
We have to go back down. Okay, we should go. We should keep going. We're almost there.
I'm not going all the way.
So we are right here at Park Point. We came all this way, right?
3 hours.
3 hours. But we still have this much more to go. But we're not going to because
Next time we come early. Look at this one.
and transition. Can't grab anymore. You take a miss! Okay, my hands are cold. Angel just fell, but I didn't get to record it in time. I'm gonna fall too. And when I fall, every time I'm about to slip, I go, ooh. My butt's gonna be so hard. Whoa! 1 foot! 1 foot! My butt's gonna be so Whoa! 1 foot! 1 foot! Ta-da! My mom's making steps for us, and then Angel was a sloth. Earlier, I slipped because of the snow. There's this very handsome French man who helped me up. My mom was making like holes in the snow for us with a stick, and I fell, and I was holding onto a tree, and I couldn't get up, and so he went past my mom to get to me, and then he held out his hand, and I grabbed it. Anyways, yeah, we're going back down the mountain. That part was really hard. We slided down, and yeah, we're on the way back down. Very anticlimactic.
Damn, the other one was a lot more fun.
Yeah. That one hurt though. Ooh. 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 Your turn. But yeah, anyways, why did that French man have to be there when my nose is runny and my lips are crusty and like I'm sweaty and I have dirt all over me from falling? Ooh, I'm sliding down. Ah! 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 I did it. Okay. We're past all the hard parts now, I think. What? Yeah, don't. Knock on wood.
Oh, we're done. We're done with the snow.
I think we're done. Maybe. I don't know. Look at that. Maybe not. Oh, actually, no. We go across, not down. Okay.
We go across over there
So,
where that 2-person go.
we lost the path because of the snow. So I feel so bad, but we had to come down this way, this whole hill, and then we see people going around, and there's people going this way, there's people going that way, and when we came down, we were like, which way do we go? But down is this way, so we went down this way. Look at our shoes and our pants, it's so dirty. My foot is like all wet, and I can't hear anything. It's like muffled. So this guy is the French guy that I was talking about who helped me when I fell. When I fell, he was going up the mountain and we were coming down. Now he's going down with us. He just passed us, and so I recorded this and I was like, oh my gosh, it's the French dude, because I didn't think I was gonna see him again. And here he is, like walking past us as we're going down the mountain, and we were already almost at the bridge part that you saw in the beginning. And then this wasn't the only time he passed us. He did it another 2 times, which didn't make sense to me and my sister, because we were like, he just walked past us, how is he behind us coming in front of us again? It happened 2 more times. It was so confusing. I just thought it was really funny. But this is the dude, and yeah. Wow, 9 miles, 64 flights. Oh, 8 miles. Hi everyone. Okay, so we're on our way home now. It is currently 6:06 p.m. I hope you enjoyed this very short or maybe long hiking video in Yosemite. It was really nice being able to come here and drive here after a very long time. This is my first time driving here ever since I was a kid, and but yeah, thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. And transition.